We don't want to throw away holy things, so we want to. I'm using aluminum foil. You can use whatever you want, but once you clean your censer, you want to keep those things and eventually bury them. So, the intent is to bury it somewhere where no one's gonna step on it. Let me go get a. You can pause. I'm gonna go get a. So then you get your lighter and you hold it for about 10 seconds, and it's gonna start cracking or like
that's beautiful right there.
making like a sound, right?
Does it have a scent to it?
No, this is just charcoal. It's just iron or carbon or whatever. But the size is the reason for the size is that it's like this will burn for about 30 minutes, and then other ones will burn for longer depending on your size.
Are you sure?
And then you'll see kind of the sparks or whatever. So make sure you don't do this somewhere where it's flammable. Like if you have like pieces of paper or something, try not to set things on fire near that.
Obviously.
For me, once I set it on fire, I blow on it a little bit just to push the embers or the fire to spread throughout the biscuit or the briquette. And then at some point, like you put it in here or wherever your this is glass. If you have metal, some people I know
Would they prefer metal to use?
I don't know what people prefer to use, but I'm using glass. But I know some people have metal, but because it's conductive, right? So you don't want to burn yourself. So some people will use aluminum. That's why I have that aluminum, and use the aluminum to act as a case. But you basically want to be careful not to burn yourself. And then it's hot. So then once it's hot,
Are you sure?
you get your incense.
I don't know. That's 350 is like that's really hot.
I mean, not bad.
It's like I think 164. 20.
How much do you put?
2 or 3?
I like to put 5, but my wife likes less. So,
Okay.
because she's more sensitive to smell.
It's already cooked, so it's fine.
So I put a few, and that's it. And then that way, when you pray, you can light a candle and light incense. So after prayers to the Lord.
Quick question: is this frankincense or myrrh? For the viewers.
This one is frankincense. It says frankincense right there.
Fantastic.
This one is myrrh. It says myrrh right there.
Is it okay to combine them?
It is okay.
Okay.
It's just like it's okay to have different.
So is this? Looks like it's actually
Okay, and then you light a candle. We have several icons, so I just put it wherever. But usually people put it by the main icon or the Jesus Christ.
So I repeat this first.
Okay. And then you can, once you're done, you can.